Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about division of integers. Right here you can see this in this table we are getting 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. Corresponding division statement minus 12 divided by minus 6 is equal to 2 and minus 12 divided by 2 is equal to minus 6. Here what we find that when we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we divide them as whole numbers and put a minus sign before the quotient. We thus get a negative integer. In the same way, we can say that when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole number and put a minus sign before the quotient. Right? That is a divided by minus b or is equal to minus a divided by b. Same. Right? And also minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b, right? For any, in general, for any two positive integers a and b, minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Now we will learn about properties of division of integers. Here you see that minus a divided by minus 4 equal to 2, that is an integer, but minus 4 divided by minus 8 equal to minus 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2, is not an integer. Therefore, you can say that integers are not closed under division. Right? Integers are not closed under division. Right? We know that division is not commutative for whole numbers. Right? Let us check for integers also. Here we see that a minus 8 divided by minus 4 is not equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. Is minus 9 divided by 3 is same as 3 divided by minus 9. Is minus 30 divided by minus 6 the same as minus 6 divided by minus 30. We can say, can we say that division is commutative for integers? No. Right? So we cannot say, we can say that division of commutative is that division of not commutative for integers. Alright. Now, like whole numbers, any integer divided by 0 is meaningless, and 0 divided by an integer other than 0 is equal to 0. For any integer, a divided by 0 is not defined, but a 0 divided by a is equal to 0 or a not equal to 0. When you divide a whole number by 1, it gives the same whole number. Let us check whether it is true for negative integers also, as it is true for negative integers. Right? That means negative integer divided by 1 gives the same negative integer. So any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. Right? That is a divided by 1 is equal to a. Now, right, these are some of the properties of division of integers. Right? Now, next we will solve the problem in the exercises.